Taittiriya Samhita, exploring the spiritual symphony of knowledge and rituals in the Krishna Yajur-Veda. The Taittiriya Samhita, a cornerstone of the Krishna Yajur-Veda, weaves together the threads of ritualistic precision and spiritual wisdom. This article delves into the depths of the Taittiriya Samhita, exploring its composition, rituals, philosophical insights, and its enduring relevance as a guide to harmonizing the mundane with the sacred. Brief overview. As a vital component of the Krishna Yajur Veda, the Taittiriya Samhita embodies the essence of Vedic spirituality. This collection of hymns, rituals, and philosophical teachings holds a unique place in the tapestry of Vedic literature. This article navigates the intricate layers of the Taittiriya Samhita, uncovering its structure, themes, and timeless significance. Composition and structure. The Taittiriya Samhita is organized into 7 books, referred to as Kandas. Each Kanda encompasses a specific theme, guiding practitioners through rituals, prayers, and philosophical contemplations. This intricate structure underscores the seamless blend of ritualistic practices and profound wisdom. Ritualistic precision. At its core, the Taittiriya Samhita provides meticulous insights into rituals and ceremonies. It delineates the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions involved in these rituals, emphasizing the harmony between the microcosm, individual, and the macrocosm, cosmic order. The Samhita serves as a guidebook for establishing a sacred connection through disciplined practices. Philosophical reflections. Beyond its ritualistic aspects, the Taittiriya Samhita engages in philosophical contemplations. It contemplates the nature of existence, the relationship between matter and spirit, and the role of human actions in the cosmic order. These reflections offer seekers a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of life. Brahmanic wisdom. The Samhita unveils the significance of Brahman, the ultimate reality that underlies all creation. It delves into the nature of Brahman, the cosmic principle that transcends the finite. These teachings encourage seekers to recognize the unity within diversity and to navigate the spiritual path with a profound sense of reverence. Continued relevance. In the modern era, the Taittiriya Samhita continues to inspire seekers, scholars, and practitioners. Its teachings offer insights into the harmonious fusion of rituals and wisdom, encouraging individuals to navigate the complexities of life while remaining attuned to the spiritual dimension. Its relevance lies in its ability to guide individuals towards inner transformation and cosmic awareness. Conclusion. The Taittiriya Samhita stands as a timeless reservoir of knowledge within the Krishna Yajur Veda. By delving into its verses, rituals, and philosophical reflections, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate interplay between the material and the spiritual realms. It invites us to embark on a journey of self-discovery and cosmic realization, recognizing the symphony that emerges when rituals and wisdom unite to illuminate the path of the seeker.